Hi guys, we just got the chewy delivered here and what?
All the cats tried to escape.
Yeah, right?
Not happy about it.
Krumi,
That's how it is though, right?
Onyx, look in the back. What's it?
I think if I died,
They're gonna eat you up?
they would eat me in like 10 minutes. Because there's not enough food.
Maybe they won't because it tastes
Bitter.
salty.
Salty.
You're salty. Bitter and
You
salty.
used that new word you learned.
Yeah.
Well, you used it correctly.
Come here, look at that.
How many are in view?
I don't know.
There's more on the stairs.
Yeah. Come. He's playing with Onyx tail. Well, the boxes are heavy. I could not do it. Come. Come here, mouse. Hi. Zeno, come. We have boxes. We have boxes. Hi, Lily. Come. Hi, kitties. Come. You should have put it down a little bit, you know, flat. Flat or not? Yes? He's a kitty police.
Kitty Karen.
Kitty Karen, yeah. Zeno? You guys stop, Zeno? He's a sweet boy. Well, I see you all. That's a good spot to see everybody. Thank you for helping me.
It's not a big deal.
You hate all the cats.
Oh, that's not true.
Yes, you do. You cuss at them all the time. You yell at them.
I curse in general.
Oh, you verbally abuse them.
I'd speak to them.
Speak to
In
them.
normal tone.
Well, that's the morning here, guys. Chewy got the liver. Such rescue the day.
Yeah, we can survive one more day.
One more day.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that horse.
How much litter? How long will this last?
2 weeks. Just joking.
And how much was the total order amount? Go ahead. You can say.
Oh, Onyx!